Hello, my name is Ian Crosby from Zytronic. We're a projected capacitive touchscreen manufacturer, and we've been exhibiting here at ISE for a number of years. But this week we've brought a new proof of concept unit which we're showing here for the first time. This is a projected capacitive touchscreen product we're calling Zybrid Edge, and it is designed to make video walls interactive. Now, a couple of interesting features in terms of the product development here is here we've got a 2x2 video wall made up of 4 55-inch displays with our Zybrid Edge touch sensors mounted over the front. Behind the touch displays there is a touch controller behind each panel. But the novel aspect of this is we've also behind here got a primary controller, and the 5 controllers here are all linked together in serial. So primary controllers linked to controller 1, in turn to 2, 3, 4, and then back to the primary controller. Now the reason why we do that is because the primary controller is capturing all of the touch data coming from the 4 separate controllers, stitching it together, and then sending a single set of output coordinates to the computer. And what that means is instead of the computer seeing 4 separate screens, in this case it's just really in effect seeing one large 110-inch touchscreen. And together with that, we've also developed some proprietary predictive touch detection algorithms, which means that as you move from screen to screen, as you can see, the touch IDs are not dropped, the colours don't change there. And the whole effect creates, even though you've got 4 separate screens, or even more if you tile more of these together, you end up with a really seamless experience in terms of moving objects from screen to screen. Now if I come out of this demonstration software and open up another application, I'll just very quickly show you how this works in effect. So if I bring up an image there, you can see that I can move the image nice and easily from screen to screen without it dropping in the dead band where the frames are located. So that's a quick snapshot of the new Zybrid Edge proof of concept unit we're demonstrating here today for the first time. And if you'd like more information on this product or other Zytronic products, please visit our website www.zytronic.co.uk. Thank you.